Okay, so I am doing KSP problems and molar solubility. The first problem we're going to do is a simple one. It asks the value of KSP of silver chloride is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 10. What would be the molar concentration of silver and chloride in pure water placed in contact with solid AgCl? Okay, so this is basically asking us to find the molar concentration of these two substances using the KSP. To do that, we will start by writing um, the chemical equation for the dissolution of AgCl, and that is AgCl, which is a solid, goes to Ag plus, which is aqueous, and Cl minus, which is also aqueous. Okay, next we're going to use this equation to solve to find the KSP expression. The KSP expression is the concentrations of products over the concentrations of reactants. However, because we don't use solids when writing KSP expressions, we are only using the concentrations of silver and chloride. So the KSP expression is KSP equals the concentration of Ag plus times the concentration of Cl minus. Okay, so to solve for the molar concentration of these two substances, we will first make an ice diagram. Initial, change, equilibrium. We can ignore the solid silver chloride completely because it is a solid, and in ice diagrams we do not count solids as concentrations in a liquid solution. We only count aqueous substances. We can assume that the concentrations of Ag plus and Cl minus are 0 molar in the beginning because we aren't given any concentrations. So, and we don't need any concentrations to solve for molar solubility of a substance if we have the KSP. And since the concentrations are not important, we can just use an X to represent the change in the concentration. So what we are left with is a concentration of both of these being X. All right. Now, what we can do is we can replace this equation within this equation each of these values. So KSP, which is given, is 1.8 times 10 to the negative 10th equals the concentration of Ag plus, which is X, times the concentration of Cl minus, which is also X, which gives us 1.8 times 10 to the negative 10th equals X squared. Now, from this, we can just do some simple algebra to solve for X, and keep in mind that X is the value of the molar solubility of a substance. So, we can square both sides of the equation, and X is 1.3 times 10 to the negative 5th, and that is the molar solubility of Ag plus and Cl minus.